Okay, so we're going to run through the operation of these control panels for Huntsman for load tech. So this is in the currently just powered up situation. Let's quickly run through what we've got on the board here on the other side of the camera. This is representing the parking sensor input, the earth monitoring input, press down from the loading arms, the external release signal provided by the customer, the vapor pressure sensor on the arm to detect excessive vapor pressure in the vapor return hose. We also have the high level shutdown. When we press this, it simulates high level. These are three outputs from the panel which we're interested in. Emergency stop OK. Currently it's off because we're in an emergency stop mode. The high level shut off output healthy, and the ready to load output signal. Okay, so the lamp on the front of the panel is showing tripped. That's this one. It's currently tripped on the emergency stop. This here is the healthy lamp. So initially we'll reset the emergency stop. So we've reset the emergency stop, and as you can see we have the emergency stop output is now active to show that the emergency stop is okay, and the HLSO output is active to show the HLSO is okay. The healthy lamp on the panel is flashing to indicate that the system is ready and armed and ready to connect up and use. So initially the first thing to do would be to connect the earth, so we'll simulate that. Currently the vapor pressure is showing that there's no overpressure in the signal, which is the normal condition, and the high level is showing no high level, which again is the normal condition. So once the earth has been connected, we unpark the arm, move it into the tanker and operate the press down. The green light goes healthy to show that we're now in a position where once the external release is operated, we're ready to load. So we'll activate the external release. The ready to load light comes on and loading can continue. So, trips. If we get a high level trip, the system trips out. It immediately goes to show that it's tripped. The high level output goes off because that's what's caused our output, and the ready to load output also goes off. Now to reset this, we need to disconnect the earth. That resets the HLSO and we go back to the safe to load condition. Reconnect our earth. We return to the healthy condition. We can continue our loading. If the vapor pressure becomes excessive, again, the system trips out. We don't lose the emergency stop or the HLSO because neither of those have caused the problems. If we return the vapor pressure, obviously once the loading is stopped, it doesn't reset itself automatically, which is what we want, because it's a latching system. Again, disconnect the earth. Once the earth is reconnected, loading can resume. If we disconnect the press down, we lose the ready to load system, the healthy light flashes, but we can restart by just turning the press down back on. Same with the earth. If we lose the earth signal, again it stops the loading, but it's a pause operation. Once the earthing returns, we can continue loading. And the final thing would be the emergency stop. So we'll press the emergency stop button. We lose the ready to load output, we lose the emergency stop output, and the system goes back to a fail-safe operation. That ends the demonstration.